Hi, I'm Dr. Heather Corwin, and I'm going to take you on a little journey with a guided meditation. And I want you to find somewhere comfortable that you can sit or lay down or have your feet up, legs crossed, legs long, whatever is comfortable for you. Find a good position, and I want you to ease your eyes, either close them or have them unfocused, gently looking nearby. And what I want you to do is think about one of your most favorite sensations. I'm going to focus on sunshine and the heat of the sun touching your skin. If you have a different idea than that, I want you to think of that every time I mention the warmth of the sun touching your skin or radiating. So get comfortable. And I want you to just notice your breath. Not changing anything. Just floating on the wave of your breath. Noticing how the air moves in and out. And what I'd like you to do is bring your attention to your toes. And if it helps to move them a little bit, to do a little wiggle just to remember where they are, do that. And I want you to think about the bones in your toes. And I want you to send the heat of the sun warming your toes and allowing any tightness or tension to just melt away. And allow that heat that's radiating in your toes to move up into the bones of your feet. And slowly let the heat move through the bones of your feet, easing any tightness that might be there. And allow the heat to keep moving up to your calves. And allow the bones to feel that warmth, like the sun is shining down directly on the bones, so that the bones are heating from the inside out, and allowing all tension or holding to ease and rest. And notice what you notice. Notice if there's any part of your calf that you feel more than another. And slowly make your way up to your thighs and allow that heat to emanate. The sun coming from the inside of you to the outside. And let that heat ease your muscles and tissue so that the warmth is just making you feel languid and luxurious, as if you were on the beach. And allow your attention to now move up to your pelvic bowl and find that heat radiating in your pelvis, like one of those really warm summer days that feels so good. Let that heat move from your pelvic bowl to the outside of you, around your hips and pelvis. And now let the heat move up your spine, which at the base is really thick. It's about the size of your fist. Let that wonderful thick cord of your spine emanate the softness and heat of the sun through your belly. And see if that heat can help support and cause ease in your belly and in your low back. And allow that heat to start moving up through your rib cage and letting the sun radiate through your ribs. Let your ribs ride your breath and create warmth and ease as you breathe, with your ribs gently swaying to and fro. Let your shoulder girdle start to feel that warmth and ease. Your shoulder blades and your collarbones. And let that heat swirl around your shoulder girdle to create ease and warmth. Let the heat travel down both of your arms to the top bone in your humerus. And let that heat expand and ease your upper arms. Notice what you notice. See if you can feel your bones finding more space inside of you. And send that heat further down your arms to your two bones, your radius and ulna, in your forearms. And let that heat radiate from the inside out, allowing any tension that's there to just melt away. And allow the sunshine and heat to go into the many bones in your hands and fingers. And notice when you do this, where your attention goes in your hands. And let the heat make everything a little easier. And if you need to, readjust yourself to make sure that you're as comfortable as you can be. Now sending that heat up into your neck and your spine and your throat, and let the heat just emanate, creating ease and releasing any tension that's there. as much as you're able, letting the heat work for you. And allowing that heat to come up into your skull and your head, and let the heat work its way around to ease the tension of your head holding all the ideas and thoughts you have. Let your jaw drop a little open and find some heat in there to just let any tension you have go. And when you're ready, there's no rush to this, I want you to come back to opening your eyes and focusing a little bit on where you are. So opening and maybe either looking at me or looking across the room. Maybe feeling the chair that you're in or the floor a little bit to test out a little bit of motion. And I want you to notice what you notice. Check in with your breath and enjoy the space that you've just created for yourself. Doing this type of work can help decrease anxiety and manage stress and emotions so that you get recentered and are better prepared for your day. Have a good day. I'm Dr. Heather Corwin.